In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Microsoft Teams notification sound. Picture this, you're in the middle of a project, deeply focused, when suddenly the default notification sound from Microsoft Teams breaks your concentration. Not to worry though, changing the notification sound can not only help personalize your experience, but also improve your workflow by choosing a sound that's more pleasant or less disruptive for you. Let's dive into how you can do just that. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, look for the Sign In option, click on that and log in using your account details. Remember, accessing these settings requires you to be logged into your account, so ensure you've got your login details handy. After successfully signing in, take a look at the top right corner of the Teams interface. You'll notice 3 dots lined up vertically. That's your gateway to more options. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various selections. Within this menu, you're looking for the Settings option. It might take a second to find, but once you do, click on it. This action will navigate you to a new page or pop-up where you can adjust various settings related to your Microsoft Teams experience. As you've probably guessed, we're here for the notification settings. So the next step is to find and click on Notifications and Activity. This might be listed directly, or you may need to scroll a bit to find it, depending on your screen size and layout. Clicking here will bring you to the crux of today's journey. Now you should see an option labelled Default. This controls the default sound your notifications make. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu or a selection of sounds. Here's where you can choose the sound that best suits your preference. Take a moment to listen to the options and select the one that you find most agreeable or least distracting. By now, you've personalised your Microsoft Teams experience just a bit more to your liking. Not only does this little change help in making Teams feel more you, but it can also aid in distinguishing Teams notifications from other sounds on your computer, potentially improving your focus and productivity. Remember, the changes take effect immediately, so you can start testing right away to see how your new notification sound fits into your workflow. If you ever wish to switch things back or try a different sound, simply repeat the steps we've covered today. And that's it. You now know how to change the notification sound in Microsoft Teams, making it a bit more tailored to your personal taste and working style. Be sure to explore other customization options within Teams to further enhance your experience. Happy working!